Hello. I have a tip to share with everybody. We have a lot of new members that might not know this tip yet, and some older members that aren't familiar. So let's open up a picture that you see something funky. Like somebody said, what is that, a tongue sticking out of its ear? I don't know what it is. Okay, so let's get rid of it. This is PhotoPea.com. It's a free app. You can use it on your cell phone, your tablet, or your desktop. We want to go to this tool right here. It's a spot healing brush tool. I call it the Band-Aid. So if you hear me refer to use the Band-Aid, that's what I mean. So we want to select the Band-Aid tool, spot healing brush. And right here, you'll see a little circle under the edit. We want to adjust that. I know I want it to be right around 54. And so I'm going to go in and I'm going to hover over our little doohickey there, and I'm going to press it. And just like magic, it erases that. I'm going to click the two little dots. Once again, that clears that up. We're going to come over here and I'm going to click that to blend that in. And I don't see anything else on this particular picture, so we're good to go. We want to go up to File, Export as a PNG, and save it to our computer. It's just that easy. Thank you.